Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we are catching up on Nuna. It's been quite some time since I've watched anything from Nuna, and I remember enjoying the stuff that I've seen. I completely forget members' names, so I apologize. I know there's 4 members. We're taking a look at 4 music videos today. We've got The One, we've got Work, we've got Rollerblade, and we have their latest track, Honk. Yeah, I'm excited. I don't know what we're going to get. Let's get right into it.
Lost in mixed signals? The One psychic hotline is open.
Okay.
Hello, Orchids. Are we about to meet The One?
Is Orchids? Orchids are their fandom name, right? I think. Oh, we getting like an old school synth dance pop here? Hold on. Hey. Oh no. I'm in trouble. Oh, classic 80s vibe.
So many reasons not to give my heart to no one.
Woo.
I hate to tell you that you've been stuck in my head. I'm addicted to you. I wanna tell you, but I just can't handle it.
Hey. Oh, this is good, dude. Wow, I love this. I'm a sucker for like retro 80s, 90s just vibes altogether, right? And as soon as that synth came in at the beginning, I'm like, are we getting that? Or are they just like incorporating some of it? But it's like, no, they are going full on. Even with the dance and everything is very reminiscent of, right, stuff you'd see with a lot of pop singers then. Very cool stuff. This could be easily like a movie soundtrack. Oh, those drums and then a little bit of saxophone? Hey. Wow, like classic camera recording too. I love that. Woo. Oh, the harmonies, goodness. Awesome. Man, too short. Just 3 minutes right out the gate is way too short, man. I could have, listened to this for a lot longer. This is going on Spotify immediately. There's no doubt about it. Just this everything, too. The atmosphere, right? The choreo, the sets. I love this is a really cool scene here because it has, of course, like the vintage camera style, right? Specifically the old, like, cameras. You know what I'm saying? You know the cameras I'm talking about when things were shot. in this sort of style, but it also has this scene that's very kind of reminiscent and showed up a lot in like music videos and sometimes in films. You had like the very, hugely lit window with like the silhouettes of people in front of it. That was a huge 80s thing. And it's just such a cool, it enhances like the vibe, right? The experience so much. This was really good. I like this one a lot. Okay. Next up we have Work. And this one is barely 2 minutes. Okay.
Get into it.
Okay.
Work.
God. Oh my goodness.
Work.
Well, there's a lot going on just in that. First of all, my back, my spine. Ow.
Work.
Wow. Really like contortionist level stuff. Hey. Okay. Cool camera work.
Big flex, break a neck, cut a check, go invest.
Hey.
Wrap your waist trainers, hit the treadmill, do Pilates.
Okay.
Take a group hike, do them squats, bitches go time, go and put in that.
Work.
Fuck it up,
Hey.
put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch.
Okay. Hey, you know what?
Sis, put in that work.
Yeah.
Put in that work.
I agree.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work.
Oh,
Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work.
whoa.
Fuck
The
it up,
camera.
sis, put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that, put in that, put in that work. Put in that, put in
Hey.
that, put in that work. Put in that, put in that, put in that work. Put in that work. Put in that work. Shit looks so good, make the
Okay.
world turn. Yeah,
Sheesh.
I'm into the hot
They're just going
ass
ham
bitch,
in this one.
my twin.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Wow, I love that. That editing is on point. The camera angles in this the camera guy's going crazy. Hey. Hey.
Shit looks so good, make the world turn.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm into the hot ass bitch cut.
Oh, that's so cool.
You wanted that shopping spree, I call that a workout. Lamborghini, how I crash out. So many, Sartini, hot and sweaty watermelon martini.
Okay.
When I'm walking to the room like $1 million, you can put it on my card. I don't know about you, but I'm making money moves. I'm the one that call the shots. End of the day, you be saying my name. Top of your lungs, I'ma make the ground shake.
Okay.
Going so cray.
Hey.
Sold out, Jakarta to end. Moisturizer, get your eye cream and the serum. How's the face feel? Take a group in. Ooh, we so hot, girl, it's go time. Go and put in that.
Work.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work.
Hey.
Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work.
Hey.
Fuck it up, sis, put in that work.
Hey.
Put in that work, put in that work. Fuck it up, girl, put in that work.
Wow, the contrast between this and No One is crazy. I like these backdrops too. Hey. Okay. That's a, was that a preview to their next to Rollerblade? I was gonna say that looked like it. That looked like I was gonna say that looked like a preview to Rollerblade, right? Like, oh man, this one's only 2 minutes, dude. This one's literally just 2 minutes, way too short. That's my biggest complaint, and I think that's such a good complaint to have, right? Is that, man, I wish there was more. But just the contrast alone between No One, right, and Work, I love. It's funny because I always assume that, like, the more, which I think is a fair assumption in most cases, but like the more aggressive or like fast-paced choreography that you see, I assume it's more taxing, but that's not always the case, right? I've seen a lot of behind the scenes and documentary style stuff when it comes to groups and talking about some of their choreography and how some of the stuff that doesn't look as intense is just physically more demanding or taxing on the body. But choreography wise, even with No One, you had that sort of more flowing kind of choreography, and then you had the just, man, they were schmoovin'. They were schmoovin' in Work. So yeah, very fun stuff. Let's see what Rollerblade, I can't even speak. Let's see what the Rollerblade has. Okay. Hey. The hip work. Oh my god, hold on. There's so much going on here. Their choreography here is crazy. They alternate between, like, the hip moves and the hair swivels, and then they do that is... Wow.
Island girl from Indonesia. Body bombastic, bust the speaker.
Hey.
Demonstration, I'm the teacher. Simon says follow the leader. Rollerblade, rollerblade.
Ooh, and then... Yes. That's cool. I like that.
Yeah. Jalan-jalan dengan sepatu rodaku. Kiri kanan ikuti irama lagu.
Okay.
Semuanya hanya tertuju padaku. Terbiasa dari dulu. Boy start, hit him with the red light.
See, not only, I mean, I always make the joke, obviously, that my body can never do the moves, but also, like, it's a testament to it, to, I think, muscle memory, because I'm also someone who I'm like, man, I don't know how they remember all this, right? I always talk about this with groups where it's like, I don't know how you remember, like, the choreography, the individual choreography to, like, every song you have in your catalog. You know, like, I could, like... Definitely, I would imagine that if it's one you haven't performed in a while, you have to, like, relearn it. Not that, you know, you don't know anything from it, but you would probably have to just go through the movements again and be like, oh, okay, yeah, piece this together again, because it's, like, it's crazy. Especially a lot of, for these more intense ones, like, whew. Hey. Hey. Okay. Hey. There's a lot of, like, I don't know how you would describe it, like popping, right? Popping hit moves, which just feels painful. Hey. Oh, excuse me, ma'am, I'm sorry. Hey. Okay. Hey. Okay, they need to chill. They need to chill out. Okay, that sounds ridiculous. I love it. All right, so here we are with their latest track, Honk, which is also 2 minutes. Man, 2 minutes. Makes me sad. It makes me sad we get another just 2-minute track. Okay, let's see what we got here. Honk.
Look at me, look at her.
Hey.
In the rearview mirror. Put him up, toasted.
Okay.
Out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go.
So it's an interesting beat.
Get on the encore.
Hey. Ooh. Full dance, full-on dance mode. Okay. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Ooh. Oh, that was a nice part. I like that part a lot. I like the beat too, and then the quick edits here. Yeah. Really cool. I like how the lighting in the windows in the background too match like the beat. Hey. Okay. Interesting. Probably my least favorite, right, out of the pack. See, this is the problem I have too with like these types of songs like Honk. Is it reminds me a lot of Gnarly, right? Um Reminds me a lot of like Gnarly and what was the other one? Uh what was it? Internet Girl by Cat's Eye, and then there's um I forget what it's called. Something Spaghetti. Was it Spaghetti? Eat Spaghetti or something like that by Le Seraphim. I feel like this is very for a very specific like niche of people, and it just doesn't do it for me, you know. And with the shorter length too, it's like I feel like a lot of the more, you know, K-pop adjacent groups, you know, pop groups, which is what Nuna is. They're not obviously K-pop, but they are kind of in that same market, right, of fandom. Um, and I think these shorter songs, you know, makes me sad because it really feels like we're heading more into the TikTok, you know, and like YouTube short generation, which I don't engage with most of that stuff, right? Most of those short reels I'll see on Instagram, and the only reason why I go on Instagram is just to kind of see what, you know, the idols that I follow are doing, you know, where they're hanging out, what they're chatting about. That's pretty much it. But it's like, man, it's just so sad. I wish that wasn't the case. I wish we could just change that, but I feel like it's only gonna get worse, right? And listen, I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna pretend like my attention span has always been great, but it would definitely be worse if I had watched like shorts and TikTok videos all the time. You know, I have a hard time as it is. I can only imagine. But no, I like Nuna here. Man, favorites were probably the first two, No One in Work out of this batch here. Honk was just not my thing, and I think again it reminded me a lot of those other, you know, songs that just they're just like this very weird, almost memey type of track, you know? So, anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for checking this out. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Peace.